Let's take a look at your GPA results. In the gradebook, you'll see each course listed with its current performance. As the semester progresses, this view reflects partial grades while assignments are still coming in, and final results once all coursework is completed. Each course includes contextual grade feedback, so you're not just seeing a letter or a number, you're seeing what that grade actually means at that stage of the semester. Next, open the overall GPA view. This is where everything comes together. Here you'll see total credits, quality points, and your GPA calculated automatically. All of these values update directly from the gradebook, which means there's no double entry, no manual formulas, and no risk of inconsistent results. One important thing to understand, early in the semester, your GPA is provisional. As more graded work is added, it becomes more stable and representative. The system is designed to reflect that reality, not to give you a false sense of certainty too early. To recap the workflow, create each course and class schedule using the Add New Course button. Link it once in the gradebook. Enter assignments in the Assignments Tracker. From that point on, the system handles the math for you, continuously, consistently, and safely. This gives you a clear, always updated academic overview, so you can make better decisions throughout the semester, not just at the end. Now you're ready to use your semester planner to stay organized, understand your performance, and make smarter decisions throughout the semester.